Hi, Chris Picciurro, founder of MRR Institute. Emailing. There are so many different hacks we can use to make sure that we, as a tax and accounting professional and firm owner, are controlling our workflow and it not controlling us. If you get frustrated that clients are emailing you Saturday night at 8 p.m. and you happen to reply to that email and then get another email back at 8:05 and you're frustrated, guess what? That's really your fault. Your firm's going to be designed to run how you engineered it to run. One of the hacks that I've used to avoid conversations and to create boundaries between your work life is scheduling emails. I personally like to schedule emails to go out first thing in the morning or potentially in the late afternoon, and then time blocked during the day to return emails. Almost every email service allows you to do this exactly. So instead of hitting send on a Saturday night at 8 p.m., maybe you go to send, schedule that send, and maybe you create that time that Monday morning for it to go out.